Hi, I am Dana Jo Miller. I am a 41-year-old wife and mother. My husband and I are high school sweethearts, and we have 5 daughters. Their ages range from 18 years old to 6 years old. Our oldest daughter will be attending Fort Hays State University in the fall and will be majoring in criminal justice. I teach fourth grade currently at Burlington Elementary School in Burlington, Colorado. I have taught kindergarten, first, fourth, and fifth grades over the years. I've coached track and have also been a class sponsor. I've also I've taught preschool as well as been an ESL one-on-one para. I'm active in our PTO and booster club in our district, and I began teaching because I love children, and that's what I wanted to do is help children. I found my passion for administration when I began to work with our organization called SCAP. It's a pilot project here in Colorado that is called SCAP, which is the Student Centered Accountability Project. It is a new way for the states to basically hold us accountable versus just using high stakes testing. I was one of the few teachers that was picked for this board, so I was very excited about that. And through that opportunity and discussions I'd had with board members and other people, I really found my passion for administration. So that is why I chose to go into administration. I chose to work with Fort Hays for 2 reasons. One, because it is affordable, and the other was because the reviews that the program had gotten across the nation, it was one of the best schools for Masters of Admin online. My professional goals were to continue to grow as a leader, a lead teacher especially, working on my relationships to make them sustainable with the student, staff, and all stakeholders. I would like to work towards an elementary principal's job since we have no assistant positions in this area since we're small. Going for the elementary job first would be where I would start. I'd continue to learn and grow until I have enough experience to obtain hopefully a high school position, principal's position. Then I would work towards my ultimate career goal of becoming the superintendent of schools in my home district, all the while continuing to lobby and work to better education not only at the local but also at the state level. For my personal goals, I would like to continue to educate myself so I can reach my professional goals. I'd like to be able to eventually afford to take my summers off as I do have a summer job. I would like to spend more time with my children, spend some time on a vacation every year, no matter how small it would be. I'd like to spend a weekend alone with my husband so we can focus on us instead of just our 5 girls. I'd like to get back to seriously training for my triathlons as graduate school has taken a lot away from that. And I'd also like to continue to better my times as a marathon runner. That's me in a nutshell. Thanks. Bye.